We have our model TG-12x8 set up to Thrufeed grind parts using standard Thrufeed guides on the entrance and the exit side. The operator sets parts on the entrance side to keep a continuous flow of parts entering the grinder. The grinder is set up with a Thrufeed guide and blade assembly to support the 3-inch long, 1-inch diameter part. Options can be added for automatic feed into the entrance side and removal and accumulation on the exit side. Ram bed positioning has several options. We are showing the servo motor driven with ball screw on this machine. Programmable in-feed grinds as well as digital positioning for size control are provided with the simple operator interface. All machine functions are easily accessed with touchscreen interface. The operator control screen provides digital setting of regulating wheel speed, wheel dressing parameters, as well as other standard machine controls. Other ram bed position control options include our standard lead screw and sizing dial, Thrufeed micro size, and our high accuracy machine control. The TG-12x8 is available for all types of grinding and loading applications, including vibratory bowl, step feeders, magazine loaders, pick and place, and robotic part feeding. Available in in-feed, Thrufeed, as well as high accuracy and CNC versions, this machine has a capacity of 3 inches in diameter. It offers a grinding wheel diameter of 12 inches and regulating wheel diameter of 8 inches. Both wheels are 8 inches wide. The model TG-12x8 comes standard with granite bed, 10 horsepower motor, Timken Class 7 ABEC bearings, 3 bearing sets,